All right, people. So, good news. The Audi R8 is here to do a sound system, and we're doing a lot of cool stuff. I showed you before, so you're gonna see exactly what's going on. So they're doing the plate right now first. Let's go check it out. Got the Lexus as well. They're doing a system on the Lexus too. He's mad because we're in a vlogging from the beginning. You're not done. This right here is the portion where the front trunk is. We want to get everything to sit right there in the middle. This is the bracket he made. I'll show you guys. Right now he's going to do all the wiring. Why are you mad, bro?
We don't need you. We're done.
You know what you're doing?
This is boring.
You know what you're doing, bro?
No.
I mean, to be honest, it looks really good. It looks Audi R8 approved. Can you do this for my Honda Accord?
No, I already got in trouble.
Why?
Because we used to get.
Bruh.
He says he's just not going to buy material no more, so we're going to make it out of cardboard, I guess.
Oh, he wants us to be magical and grow the ABS. What's up? Even if you got the ABS for free, there'd be a problem probably. What's up, Martin?
Want me to remove that DVD?
Yeah, if you want, if it don't work, but if not, leave it as it is. Yeah. Or just if it's too much work to remove it, just disconnect it or leave it as it is.
It's loose. I don't think.
Okay.
Just disconnect it and leave it where.
I think they probably had that for a CD before, because they never had CD, or maybe the CD is broken. What's that?
Crown.
Ooh.
Crown, like for razor stuff.
Baby, I love your way every day.
So this whole board, the whole reason for this board is so we can take everything out with no problem. So it's like a flip this and then type of board.
But let me ask you another question, or let me ask this: are you gonna put a to? Let's go follow the main boss. Let's go follow the main boss. Here's the Audi R8. So I'm gonna show you some of the wiring setup they done already. So there's all the cables. Oh, let me take off my filter. There's all the cables right there. Everything's back to original. I'll show you the cables in the front. So here's all the lines, right? That's all the speaker lines. And here's our connections. They're all wired up and they say names on them. You know, that's the inputs. So yeah, she's about halfway done rewiring. Let's go check out the CNC room. Hey CNC master. Once again, Alpine, JLL, Focal, Mobile Solutions. You guys want your name here? Hit me up in the DMs for the sponsorship. Check out the Carbonites. They're back. What you think, Harry? Is it ready? Are you almost ready? Boy right here getting that window tint done. This is Pinchy Carlos. He wanted to charge me like $200 to tint my car. And he said that's the homie discount. What do you guys think? Do you guys think he did a good job? Oh, it's pretty dark in here. Maybe. Depends I can see. We want the ceramic film, because the ceramic film is going to help protect against the heat. Let's see if he didn't make a cut in my glass. Okay, no, he's good. He's good. I got the 19s, right? We got the 19s. Hey, wait, how many years have you been doing window tint? Wait.
4.
4 years? Mm-hmm. And he charges like he's been doing it for 15 years. Hey, pero nadie puede hacerlo, huh?
Hey.
This car's gonna be all blacked out. Black on black on black. Look at that windshield though. Whew. I like it. Looks looking good. Good morning, all my buddies and people out there. Check it out. Good news today. Really good news today. Look at this Alpine display. It's getting closer to being done. It finally got wired up. Right? It's wired up. It's getting closer. We just need a power supply and a battery, and then we're done. We got Christian on the cell phone. Christian's on the celly. Let's go see what's going on in the back. What's up, Papa? What happened? Whoa, that's a big hole. So here's the dilemma. We cut a little bit too much. How they're gonna repair this, I don't know. What are your words, boss? Bossy. But the speakers are in, the amps are right here, everything is pretty much almost there. Just gotta figure out how we're gonna put those boxes in there. Fucking shit. Let's go check out who came into the shop. I'm coming right back, man. Alright, so customer just went over there. We sold a double din. What? We're gonna start with double din and a Nissan Versa. Let's get this party going, bro.
Yeah, so
Audio systems. What's up, buddy? Yeah, that was a little loud, bro.
okay. I didn't want to hear his old station, you know? His grandma's station.
I can still hear it too. Fuck, man.
No, his is new now.
Hey!
You can drink, bro.
I can't. Alright, so we're back on the R8. Let's check out what is left or what is going on or what they've done or I don't know. What's up, Junior?
What's up?
Welcome to the Audi build. Oh my goodness, that's looking really good. Boy, where did you learn to do all these skills?
Hey, I need ring terminals around him.
To buy some more. You know whose fault that is? That fucking guy with all those batteries in his back of his car.
I know. How much you charge me for all that?
$100.
Really?
Yeah. $5 each. I counted 20. Oh, you said $5. Bro, I had to go to Ace Hardware store and spend $20 or $4. So you know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that sounds good.
Hot dog, limited out. Wow.
I don't have no more.
Oh shit, that's just right there. Can't do that. Anyways, you don't have no more what?
I need a ring terminal. I mean, shrink to read. Hey, we have a problem here, man.
What is it? You forgot about the.
There's a nut right here.
Ooh, I own a net right here too.
It's gonna come up.
Which one? For the power?
One of those fucking threads that have a lock at the end.
Oh, you need the Audi tool.
No, don't come off it. You hear me?
So what do we do?
I'll make it happen. Probably put a new bolt.
That is not the business, bro.
Why not?
Well, I'm gonna have to charge him the little bolt, man, and I don't want to charge him more money. Just kidding. It's a business, bro. That is what you do. You charge money for stuff. Business 101 rules.
Why is that?
Because that's how you get this great content. Brought to you by Audio Systems here in Moreno Valley, where we got you covered. Come on down. That's for your mom. She said I need to say the Audio Systems at least once an episode. It's in my contract.
Contract? Since when do you have a contract?
Since I became YouTube famous, bro.
Oh, shit.
All right. I can't stay here that much time, due to the fact is Lewis likes his music playing, and every time I come, I turn it off. So it's Let's go fix that for him. Give him the good work, bro. Oh shit. My bad. And juniors. Man, who told you guys he had 2 volume knobs, bro?
Look, I didn't like this Grandma station. Well, Christian music. No, that's not it. That's not it. Huh?
Works much better. The sun is really bright. So bright, I bet you the picture's all shot out. There you go, Louis. Alright, Junior just informed me that we need to find out where the LEDs are gonna go in that super car, the Ferrari. But how do Audi people say Audi? All day. All day. My Porsche. No. That's the wrong one too. Shit. Put that in the bloopers. Oh. Like what kind of accent do Audi drivers have? If you're from like the manufacturer Audi. OD. Let's go play with the OD. Alright, let's walk over to the Audi. See where those lights are gonna go. Ya está apagado, wey. Alright. You gotta turn it off. Okay, so we're at the Audi. Let's find out where those LEDs are gonna go. And if I remember correctly, ooh, it looks different. Let's see, it's much better without them. Come on, man, let me show you where they're going, bro. So, homeboy, see y'all later. My buddy said he would like them right here. Right here. See this little groove? Right there. It's perfect. The light's right here. I don't know if you can catch that.
I don't like it.
I know you don't like it, but that's what he wants.
Can I change it up?
What do you want to do?
What if we lit this up?
Mm-hmm.
This up. So you'd have to get us 2 more strips. Then this thing would be sexy. You don't want to see the dots, bro.
I know that, bro. I knew that, bro. But he wanted them there because he wants the engine bay to light up on him.
Add another one right here.
I think if you just make it brighter.
Right here, look.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
But everybody says it's a pain in the ass to take this engine bay off cover. I don't see what the hardness is. It's fucking these clips. These
it's not
ones.
the engine bin, it's getting wire across.
Who's it? Whatever. Who?
Mobile tacos?
Mobile taquitos, Holmes. I'm down. You know what I mean? Alright, so that's where he's gonna put it. Take a picture, send it to him, and ask him if we could just light up the insert to the grills. Nah, he wants something done. Bro, what gives people the right to park where the fuck they want?
Alright, so I don't have to run wires.
Why?
Because the LEDs are there.
Sure. Alright, man. You got it? Alright, let's go to the front. Let's go check on the Nissan. Ready? Oh, nice. That came out. That came out really good.
Ya le habían metido mano al estéreo.
Huh?
Ya le habían metido mano al estéreo.
¿Alguien?
Tienen los cables cortados y no hay acceso.
Freaking people. But that looks good. So she'll get that car out of here. Or he's gonna get that car out of there. Customer will be ready to go. And yeah. It's looking to be a good, what's today? Tuesday? Wednesday. It's looking to be a good Wednesday. Let's hopefully you can keep it that way.
Yeah, you fucking right.
Oh, look, it's me! Bro, what are you doing right now?
I'm making screws.
Did you see where I left these things? The little...
No, you always lose everything.
So these are for what? To make the speaker fit with these tabs?
Yeah.
So you're making brackets too right now?
Yeah, I already made them.
Hey, how much does Snap-on pay to wear that shirt?
Just give me good deals, bro.
Damn.
Well, at least they give me their shit to wear, you know? Versus,
The Audi Systems gives you a paycheck every week. And you don't have to wear their shirt.
I wear it almost every day. Just they're all dirty.
Ooh.
All these systems don't give me enough shirts. There's a problem there, boy.
This is boring. Bossy.
This is all gonna be boring right now.
So what else you got planned for that Audi R8?
Something, bro.
Hopefully today he's gonna get sound. If he gets sound today, I will show you guys. There's a fan above me. If you guys hear that, it's probably because of the fan. So try to ignore it. Bossy. Bossy.
Really?
Bossy.
Look, it comes with all those. It doesn't come with any.
Which ones? Because there's only 4 speakers. Cool guys. Do you have an idea what the lighting's maybe like? Oh, hey, the guy with the customer from the Bay, he needs the rendering. I found it. He texted me.
What rendering, man? I think telling people that I do rendering, bro, then I gotta fucking start doing shit.
I know, but he's from the Bay. It's kind of like worth it to do it for him because he's far away.
What do you want me to do?
Center console build.
Number man. I need a picture of the
I
truck.
got it. It's in there. Look at the messaging. And there's another message. Can you answer? It's about that guy. There's a guy who's asking something in Spanish, and you talked to him already once and you give him pricing.
I give you pricing?
Yeah,
I don't give pricing, bro.
you did on that time, you know. Hey, so Jack called me. I was like, hey Jack, if we're all like competing, does that mean you're gonna fuck up my tune just on purpose? I think he's gonna do yours too. I'm not letting him touch my tune.
You doing what?
My tune on my car. The DSP tune. We're gonna be competing against all 3 of each other. Why are they gonna help me out with tuning my car? No? Some solder or what?
Yeah. Bottom of your car.
He actually did a good job. I mean, I thought he was not gonna be able to fix it.
Then it's gonna have dynamite.
Let's go check out the Audi. See how he's doing on the Audi. Let's see how he's doing on the Audi, guys. Oh. Let's check out the doors. You were not even gonna call me, huh? Woo.
Oh, excuse me. I don't want to have a ding on my car.
Beautiful, beautiful, boss. A beautiful.
We should tell them. Look. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Hold the door, yeah?
¿Qué pasa? Sí, está. All right, so we're gonna check out to see if we got audio in the Audi. The speakers are done; they're already installed. The amplifier is already installed. Everything's already hooked up. Let's see. Junior, you ready, bro?
¿Cuánto tengo que tener para comprarme este carro?
17 installs. A lot of installs.
No, ¿cuánto vale?
49?
Yeah.